Alright guys, we're out here in the shop. We haven't run the H2 in a while, so we're going to do a cold start, check it over, make sure everything's good to go. Get right back with
Right, here she is. She's looking pretty good. A little dusty. She's been sitting for a couple of weeks now. We just want to start her up, warm her up all the way, and make sure everything's good to go. Get up to temperature before we do any sort of revving her or touching the throttle even. Boy, she's looking good. Just needs a little wipe down and a polish and need a rider. Weather's changing, lots of riding coming. Man, I love this machine. I love everything about it. Very special machine. The way it makes boost, the way it does everything, it's just different kettle of fish, really. Not like other bikes. Z900's doing good. That's my daily. Got the ZX10 sitting out there waiting for another coat of polish. See how we're looking on temperature. Still warming up. That's coolant temp top right. We want to see 145 degrees Fahrenheit on that before we touch that throttle. Let her warm up. Shout out to the boys from Infamous Culture. Thank you for the mat. Love the single-sided swing arm. Love the wheels. Love the way they did the whole setup. Steel braided brake line. Love the full exhaust. That's a Kropovich titanium header. Made it to the SC Project muffler. That is just a small resonator box, like another small muffler.